Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable YouTube search history to be saved on the YouTube app. So this will apply for iPhone and Android devices, but it's a very similar process for PC as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the gear icon on the top right. Go ahead and select that as well. Underneath Account on the left side, select where it says Manage All History. And then scroll down a little bit where it says Not Saving Your YouTube History. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll down. You want to go ahead and select Turn On for YouTube History, and then include the YouTube videos you watch, as well as include your searches on YouTube should both be checkmarked. So again, checkmark both of these entries and select Turn On, and that will turn on your YouTube history. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.